style, on how you win in the market, is you won't be able to forecast where the highest point will be. That's why I just love technicals, because it allows me not to forecast, not to guess, not to speculate, not to chase news, not to ask my friend, because everything I need to know is found in the charts, and you can do it as well. That trading the market is not as hard as what you think it is. That trading the markets can be done if you do know how to do it well with confidence. Hey guys, so I'm waiting for my wife. I'm actually in a parking lot, no. It's 10:35 p.m. in Manila. She's still at work. So, you know me, I try to maximize my time. As what I always say in all of the videos that I make, time is the most important resource. So it's either I'm doing business or trading or investing or doing talks or doing the things that I'm normally passionate about. And I try, that's why for those who are new to this, what I do is the videos sinisingit ko on times that I'm free, and on times that I'm a bit busy, I just try to make time for it, because this is something that's fun for me, and it allows me also to interact with you guys. So my wife loves to work, no, and the reason why she does it, she's an executive for a bank, and she's good at what she does, and that's what I love about it. I let her excel in where she is and what she's doing, because I really believe that if you let your wife or your spouse fly and be excellent at what they do and fulfill their dreams as well, it allows them to be happy. And in her case, it's really, she loves the corporate. In my case, I just love entrepreneurship and I love investing. I'm not the type of person whom you'll see na I really didn't see myself employed forever. So for those who don't know my backstory, I was only employed for around 5 years. Then I quit my job, then started to just do the things that I'm passionate about. So there, it fits me. My mentality, you know, when I was starting out was really, I'd rather earn small, working for myself, investing on my own, hustling on my own, than work for somebody else. So there. But for my wife, she's a typical corporate person who's climbing the ladder of success, and she's good at it. So now, I just want to talk about 4 stocks that a lot of you guys messaged over the past few hours. Of course, we'll do more of these stocks by request throughout the week, but I just want to focus on these 4. These are the top vote getters. For those who don't know what stocks by request is, these are the top stocks that you guys request over social media, and I make videos or blog posts about it to analyze it for you guys, with the goal to help you, guide you, that this serves as a reference point for you to win in the stock market. So let's start. The first stock that I'd like to talk about is ORE, or Oriental Peninsula Resources Group. This is a mining company. What's interesting about this is, if you try to look at it, it's been in a for those who've attended our Stock Smart session, since in a consolidation phase since October 2018. And if you look at this entire area, I'll try to put a circle at it. This entire area, this is the consolidation phase. It formed a resistance around 1.025, and its support is at 0.81. So it hit that support last November, then started to bounce. It hit the resistance here, but the resistance reiterated itself at around 1,025. 1.025, then it went down. But something happened today with a large price spike and a large volume spike also. The stock started to break out of that resistance. So what does this mean? If tomorrow and the next succeeding days it stays above this 1025 level, I really believe it has a shot to continue and progress up to the 1.175 level. If it fails to hold this level, I think it could retrace and go downward for the short term, or at least go back to where the support is at 0.81. So watch out for it. Breakout from 1.025 will bring the stock to 1.175 for the short term. At this level, so this is a 15% gain as it hits and tries to go to the resistance. Next, everyone's favorite. I've been getting so many votes for this, no? Ayala Land. If you've noticed it, for more than a week already, Ayala Land has been hovering at the resistance support of around 45 thereabouts. So it broke out from that January 7, retraced down, went up for 2 days, retraced down, then stayed below, then went up, then 2 days ago went down, then today with a vengeance started to break out again. So the narrative there is this: if it successfully stays above 45 this time, I really believe it can challenge the 47 levels already, which is the highest high for Ayala Land. So ganun pa rin, breakout from 45 will allow it to challenge 47. Breakout from 47, I really believe it has a midterm shot already of going to around 58 pesos per share for the midterm. Not in the next few days, but for the midterm, provided that it stays above 47, and 47 reiterates itself as the new and strong support. So if it fails to hold though from 45, it could possibly retrace down, but all of the parameters right now are still pointing that the stock Ayala Land is still bullish for the short, mid, and long term. Next stock, this is a request from Bernard Anduyon from Qatar. By the way, no, I will be in Qatar this February 4, 5, 6, all the way to Feb 10. So if you are from the Qatar area, I'd like to see you there. I'll be doing RFP with Randall Chongson, but above and beyond that, we will be having Stock Smart's basics, fundamentals, and technicals in that span of time as well. As you all know, fundamentally CHP is not so good still. Position trading wise, it's still in a pretty massive downtrend. From a short-term perspective, if you are a quick trader, the stock is now at the resistance again, the resistance of 2.15 pesos per share. So what does this mean? If you bought here from the bounce of 1.5, or from the support at 1.5, 1.6, and the bounce from that, the stock is now at the resistance. If it fails to go up tomorrow or in the next few days still, and we already have confirmation about it, guys. So look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to go up again, then the 8th day it reiterated itself as a resistance. Failure to break the resistance is already a sell signal. So I'll repeat this: for CHP, you are an investor, stay away. It's not really a fundamentally sound company as of today. If you're a position trader, the stock is still in a downtrend, stay away. If you're a quick trader, take profits if it fails to break out of 2.15. But just a caveat though, if it also breaks out from 2.15, the next possible target or the next possible movement for it will be at around 2.35 pesos per share. That's its short-term movement. Next, for pizza shakies, look at this, guys. The stock tried to break out now from a strong resistance, which it did. However, it failed to stay above that level, thus triggering a take profit signal already. If you look at this also, for those who attended our candlestick pattern trading techniques, you already saw an indecision. Then after that, it showed you that the market decided that it was supposed to sell. Then after this, the second candle after the indecision showed you that, hey, it failed to hold the support level. And then the third candle today or further shows you a sell signal. So if you are a position trader, it's now up below the resistance or the support that should have been a support at 12.5. It also did not hold that range, so it's not bad to take profits as well. If you try to look at the entire narrative of this, if I put a narrative, you are up. If you bought, let me just zoom out now from the basic support level. If you bought at the support level around here, you should be up. If you sold here at 33%, or if you're about to sell, it's still around 21%. So still amazing, and it has to be very consistent. No, the style on how you win in the market is you won't be able to forecast where the highest point will be. That's why I just love technicals, because it allows me not to forecast, not to guess, not to speculate, not to chase news, not to ask my friend, because everything I need to know is found in the charts, and you can do it as well. That trading the market is not as hard as what you think it is. That trading the markets can be done if you do know how to do it well with confidence. So that's it for now. If you'd like to know more about stock trading and investing, my next events will be in Qatar February 4. I have Make Money, Grow Money in SMX Aura with Sean C. Then I have Stock Smarts Manila this March. Then after March, I'll be in Cebu this April. Japan, April 13 with Randall Chongson. Then Singapore this May. I think May 18. Then I will be in Ilo and CDO this July. Hong Kong this August, and November this Taiwan. So that's it. You can learn via this video sessions. You can learn from the books, or if live trainings would work for you, I'd like to meet you there as well. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo, 10:45 p.m. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.